Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about another successful Doordash delivery for my BFF for the day. Recently I got an email from one of my subscribers, FR. Thank you so much for emailing me about this and making this video possible. And it seems like it links to a video from a smaller YouTube channel that is apparently entertaining. So with that said, we are talking about everything that is happening in this email and video, how it actually is for Doordash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Hey there, Driven Wyld. Let me know your thoughts on this video. I came across it and thought you might have fun with it. It's only 2 minutes. Or the link is the most recent video on the Dashing Goose YouTube channel. Thanks, FR. First off, how did a goose start dashing? Second, hey, you know what? It could be fun to watch, so let's just jump right into it.
Hey everyone, Goose here, and I've got another exciting DoorDash delivery to bring to you. All right, in my handy dandy backpack here.
What kind of backpack is that? Does DoorDash actually sell a backpack like that? No, the bike bag isn't like that. The DoorDash delivery bag isn't like that. The insulated tote might be. It looks like it's its own bag. That's interesting. I never saw a bag like that.
I picked up this order from this cool coffee, like a Starbucks version of McDonald's called Cosmics, and sounds like there's a coffee in here. I'm excited to deliver this to this lucky customer.
Oh, is that the new McDonald's that is like fully automated and like drive-through only? So in case you guys don't know, Cosmics is a McDonald's spin-off chain that focuses on just drinks and snacks. I feel like they're trying to play to the nostalgia side of things with their retro-themed, space-themed restaurants, but nevertheless, it's basically designed to be like a coffee place and a drink place. That is too interesting to me, that they are actually immediately going into delivery. I mean, I guess that's the way to grow a restaurant now, is through delivery.
Let's take it right up here.
Is that just a pizza bag that he's wearing on his back? Because that is not a ordinary DoorDash bag, and I don't know if that's really suited for this, man.
Oh, there's a gate. Hang on, let me see. No key code. You know what? This is. Who doesn't put a key code? You want your cosmic coffee? You take it. It's ridiculous.
Okay, well, that is aggressive. Bro, you could have just set it inside. The gate was open enough. You didn't have to throw it down like that. Come on.
No tip. No tip. What kind of customer doesn't tip?
Oh, you could have just walked around the whole time? What the hell was that? Like, come on. Now you're just being a pain. I could already tell this is some sort of parody. Like, you're wearing a pizza bag like it's a backpack. You are aggressively throwing food down. I can't honestly expect this to be a real thing. And you're on a scooter. Why the hell are you on a scooter? Not even like an electric scooter. It is a foot pedal push scooter.
Another successful DoorDash delivery.
Yeah, another successful DoorDash delivery. More like another successful parody delivery. I love how people love to automatically assume that we're like this. Like whenever we get a no-tip order, because we would have declined it hands down. But then you have people like this making it a joke. And then other idiots on the internet going,
you see, this is why I don't tip beforehand. You see how terrible of a service that was?
you shouldn't even get service at all, first of all. Second of all, this is literally a parody video. By far. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I think anybody with any sort of dashing experience would automatically pick up that this is a parody. Or at least some way through the video, you'd be like, okay, this is a joke. But I'll tell you what, there are thousands of people on the internet who would use this to their advantage to justify their no-tipping attitude. Or somebody who already is a bad actor would use this as an excuse to also be a dick about it. So let me just be the guy to say this. This was a very funny parody video. Don't do this in real life. If you guys also want to email me about something happening in your market or a video just like this or something else in the DoorDash catering or delivery space, my email is drivenwyld@gmail.com. Feel free to email me there. And who knows, maybe it'll be shout out in a video as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.